this one we'll be looking at how to use recursion, not recursion with memoize, but just recursion, because we cannot memorize this problem. So we'll be looking at recursion for calculating the power. What is a power? A power is just something raised to some number. So whatever that number is, that many times you multiply the number with the same number. So if you want to have 2 raised to the power of 4, right, which means you need to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, right? So that will give you 16. So now let's look into the let's try to build a recursive solution to this problem. So you know something is repeating here, right? You're multiplying it with the same number. So recursion sounds to be a good solution for this, right? So what I'll do is I'll write a function recursion. It will take in a number and a power, and if power is less than 2, it will return the number to me. So if power is say 1, right, that is what I'm rooting for. Whenever the power gets to 1, I want it to return the number itself, right? And why will the power get to 1? Because I'll be recursively calling this function by reducing the power. Okay, so I call recursion num and power minus 1. So suppose the power was, with our example, it was 4. So it will be reduced to 3, and the same function will be called. It will skip the if block, go to the third line, call recursion with the power to be 2, then recursion with the power to be 1. When it reaches 1, it will not skip the if block. It will in fact go inside if block, return num. It will skip in fact the third line for that one, right? So it will return num. Num is 2, so it will return 2. And what I must do now is this recursion function, the previous recursion that was called, will receive 2. I need to multiply it with the same number. So 2 multiplied by 2, okay, that will give me 4. I need to return this 4. So 4 will be returned to the previous function. 4 will be multiplied by num, which is 2. 4 2s are 8, and that will be, that value will be returned to the previous function, which will be 8, and that will then multiply it by 2, which will give it 16, and this value then will be returned to you. So let me try it with 2 4 2 10 and then 2. Let's run and see. Wonderful. So for the first one 2 4 we are getting 16, for the second one 2 10 we are getting 1024, for the third one 10 2 we are getting 100, right? So that's how recursion works for power. See you.